Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about my cool tool number 3 called Flipgrid.com. Flipgrid is a simple, free, and accessible video discussion experience for pre-K to PhD educators, learners, and families where you create a topic and engage your community together. How Flipgrid works is that it's simple. You create a discussion topic, share it with your learning community where learners record and share short videos with you and your class. The first thing that you need to do is create a educator sign up or login. Once you are signed up or logged into Flipgrid, you will see that there are discussion, discovery, activities, mixtapes, shorts, and grid pals. Under discovery, you'll find other topics that people have already posted who are within the community, topics of the day, wonders of the day, and so on. If you wanted to look through all of these and find ideas for different kind of topics that you want to give to your class. Here you can see the activities of where students have created their topics, their total responses, the videos for this week in the view. You'll also be able to see here if you have any responses to any type of different kind of topic that you have posted for your discussion. Up here you'll find mixtapes where you can take any of your discussions that have answers to them and put all the collective videos together and make an easy mixtape for the students to watch. You can also have shorts where you take the camera to record videos and you capture the screen and easily share your ideas with everyone at any time. And here's where all your shorts will show up. You also have the Grid Pals, where it shows the educators who are using Flipgrid. And as you can see, there are quite a few people in the United States who are using Flipgrid. And down here you can see if they have their information public. You can see what their name is, what state they're using in it, and what subject that they are using the discussion board for, and what grades they're using it for. Whenever you come back to the discussion board, here's where you would want to put your discussion. The first thing that you need to do is add a topic. Once you're added a topic, you want to add your title, which we will do dinosaurs, and then the prompt where you ask your question, what type of dinosaur do you like? And then you come down here and then you can add different kind of media options to it. You can add different things from Google or Microsoft, from your Google Drive. You can add things from Kahoots. Here's your permission to add students' email addresses or usernames. And once you add the email addresses or usernames, this can be sent out to your students when it's completed. You can scroll through here and you can see the essentials of how long recording times can be. And then there's other more options like doing attachments or the status of your discussion, if it needs to be active or it needs to not be active anymore. Your notifications, and if students are allowed to put filters or stickers onto their videos to attach or attachments to their videos. And then just basic feedback, how you're going to give feedback to the students. Once that is completed, you create your topic. And here you're given a code that you can send students. Here's the QR code. You can embed it into your lesson plan. You can add Microsoft Teams, Google Classrooms, or even share it on reminders. Once you decided, here's your set, and here's where students can record their responses to what type of dinosaur they like best. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for listening. Stay safe. Bye, guys.